Ace Liam's passion for painting around the age of 6 months, and this was when I was working on a painting commission, and I wanted a way to keep him busy while I also did my paintings. So I spread out a canvas on the floor and added paint to it, and then in the process of crawling, he ended up spreading all the colors on the canvas, and that was when he created his first masterpiece. He chooses the colors himself. If I'm purchasing green, I try to purchase 3 shades of green, and usually when he's making an artwork, he's able to choose colors that complement each other. So I can't really explain his choices in colors. However, that is how he chooses to express himself at the moment, by the colors he chooses. He's so excited, especially when he wakes up in the morning and he says, "Mama, painting." He knows that he's coming to the studio, and immediately he enters this space. It's like this jubilation. You can see he's actually happy and ready to paint. It's nice to sometimes be creating a painting and then have him sitting beside me. It doesn't give me divided attention when I'm working on my works. I just stare at him and he's also busy doing his own paintings. For Ace Liam's future, I believe that it's only right to push him when it comes to education and possibly selling his works internationally. So right now, my future plans for him is to seek scholarship opportunities where he will be found in an education